Here again sp. So see, outermost orbit are having all the of them are having 18 electrons except helium. Okay, now 2 comma 8 comma 18 comma 32 comma 18 comma 8. When I am writing 18 this 32, n is equal to 32, fourth shell there is 32 electron. What does it mean? There is a 4s 4s2 4p6 4d10 and 4f14 are filled, because maximum occupancy of s subshell s orbital is 2 electron, p orbital is 6 electron, d orbital is having 10 electron, I have written somewhere, and f orbitals are having here, d electrons are having 10 electron and f orbitals are having 14 electron maximum occupancy. Now see here, here helium 1s2, then neon 1s2 2s2 2p6, then 3 2 comma 8 comma 8. I told you 8 means 2s2 2p6 you have to write down. Here 8 means 3s2 3p6, klm 3 third shell. Now fourth shell, be careful about it here, because here 18 electrons are included here. So spd means here third shell 3s2 3p6 3d10 is there, 3s2 3p6 3d10 4s2 4p6. Okay, first I'll tell you this, then I will rewrite the this for higher level. Now xenon 1s2 2s2 c 2 comma 8 comma 18 comma 18 means in third shell sp d orbital field, fourth shell sp d orbitals are filled, means 3s2 3p6 3d10 4s2 4p6 4d10. Clear? 18 18 and 2 comma 8 comma 18 comma 18, then 5s2 5p6. Clear? This you have to write first. Now for radon we'll see 2 comma 8 comma 18 like this, first shell, second shell 8, third shell 18 3s2 3p6 3d10, and fourth shell there will be 32, means 4f14 is also occupied, 4f14 will be there, 4s2 4p6 4d10 4f14, and this is again here 18 5s2 5p6 5d10, so 32 then 18 18 32 18. Remember this, 18 32 18 means here 5s2 5p6, because 4s finished, 4f14 maximum occupancy has been completed, then 5s2 5p6 5d10 and 6s2 6p6. Okay, here, and when I am saying ns2 np6 configuration means n is the number of shell in which shell period, and this shell tells you about the period in which period they belongs, and s is saying s orbital having maximum occupancy 2 electron, p orbital is having 6 electron, d orbital is having 10 electron, and f orbitals are having 14 electron maximum occupancy. Clear to you? That is why I am saying, if I am saying third shell 18 electron, remember spd are filled, so s2 p6 d10 automatically 18 electrons are